Good morning and slightly into afternoon. Nana here, also known as Judy, Allan, whoop whoop. And it is Good Friday, or if you celebrate Easter week, it's Good Friday, right? But we're still doing live today, and we have no more Easter cards to make because those were all done from the springtime kit, right? So today I'm going to show you a Stampin' Up kit that is not a subscription based kit, and there's no stamping involved, and we're going to have some beautiful cards. Quick, easy peasy, right? Quick and easy. So let's do this today so you can see how you can make some beautiful cards from an all-inclusive kit that includes no stamping. Now this is not subscription based, so it's one of those things that you go online and order it, and once they sold out, they sell out, right? Versus Paper Pumpkin is a subscription based, and you can stop, start, or pause at any given time. So let's go down the hands and let me show you what we got going today, because it's just nice. All right, so this kit comes with enough to make 9 cards, all right? And we're just going to make one of each, and everything's already done for you, right? You don't have to stamp, and it has different languages. You've got German and French in here, and I do believe maybe some Spanish. How about that? So that all comes together in the kit, as well as 3 different colored envelopes to coordinate with the cards. And we are going to start off with whatever we do, just like we do with Paper Pumpkin, okay? So the first card they have us doing is this beautiful card here, and I'm going to show you how that looks. Here's what it looks like on the outside. And yes, it's got reflection there. I think you can see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, if I do it like that, you can see the light on the light, right? But very beautiful. And this is, they've already got it done like this on the inside. See, you get stamped on the inside. So we're going to fold this up just like this. And then all we have to do is they have us putting, just like we do with the other stuff, they have us putting dimensionals on this green piece here. And then this one here, which we're going to do, and it's in the kit. So kits like this, it doesn't matter if it's one that you stamp or if it is one like this one that has no stamping. Just like Paper Pumpkin, it has everything you need in the kit, right? It's one of those things so that's easy for you to take it and go. Now, you cannot get this kit yet because it doesn't come out until April, right? This is something I got at On Stage, right? This is something they gave to us free at On Stage, and so that's why I have it early. Whoop, whoop. So you're getting to see something early, right? It's always exciting that you get to see something before it is even released. That's what makes it nice. So we as demonstrators get to do that. So if you ever decide you want to be one or a hobby demonstrator, this is just one of the perks that you get. All right, so I'm just going to put this here just like they have it. I think they do. There's just a little tilt there, maybe a little bit that way. All right, we'll do it this way. So they just have it kind of off just a little bit right there. So you just follow the pictures, right? So what else do I have? I have these 2 right here, and they have us putting this one on with one of these here, dimensionals, and then they have a glue dot underneath. And I've done this so many times myself too, because what this allows us to do is the bottom base here to be flat, and it gives the 3D look for what we're going to do here. So, if you can't notice, here it is right here. Let's see if I can get it close for you. Okay, see these little ones here that look like got the different shapes? That lets you know that that is the dimensionals we're putting on there. And the little dots here just let you know you're putting on the glue dots. And that's the easiest. So, when you do what they have you doing here by putting a glue dot at the bottom up here, that allows me to come, I might put that too low. Yeah, I have to go higher with that. That's okay. So it allows me to do this here. It allows me to have this here, and this is going to be up like this. So it gives you already a 3D look just by doing that. And let me just move this since I've got it too low, because that really needs to be on top of the strawberry, right? So if I were doing this over again, I would most probably do the strawberry first. Do a little bit different than the directions. Do the strawberry first and then come do this. That way you wouldn't have to do what I just did. But you can still do it. So see how that gives it the 3D look? Just by putting a dimensional here and a glue dot here that anchors it down there. And then they have us putting a dimensional right here. We're just going to put it right here like they did. And see, we've got our height. And the next thing they do is, look how cool is this. This is something new and different. Let's see what they got. They got to have some adhesive somewhere. Let's see what they have on here for us to see. Well, I don't see anything. It looks like they got some, looks like they're peeling off some papers. So one of these things is like right first, if you might not know what it is, you can always ask, right? I could answer it for you, or, you know, customer support at Stampin' Up! Can answer it for you too. Right? Everybody wants you to have fun and enjoy what you're making. Right? That's what it's all about. So all we're having to do then is we're doing some here, and they just have us button this right up here. I'm not sure if mine, I'm centering mine as best I can. Oops. And then I'm just going to turn this over like this, and voila. How cool is that? And there's your card. Okay, so this one is done. That is card number 1. Card number 2, let's flip it over and see what we're doing next. All right, card number 2. You can see here's the inside, and here's the outside. So actually here, they're actually taking, which I'm not sure how they did that on the other one, because you got to put it in the envelope, right? So I'll have to think on that one. But here, I like this, because it's going to fold and attach here in the center of the card, so that when you sit up there and the person that you give this to opens it up, this is going to be there for them, right? So let's see how that's going to look. Again, I like this because it's just quick and easy. What I love about this too is I can actually carry this on the road with me anywhere, right? And make it anytime I want, anywhere I want. Or even I can make it with my grandkids, really easy too. Alright, so looky here. We'll fold this in half. Let's see. I'm all folded that. Okay, and when you open it up, ta-da! That is way stinking cute. Okay, let me see what happened here. Okay, it just didn't. Okay, so it looks like I didn't quite get it centered the way they wanted it, but it's okay. It's working. That's what counts. Okay, so now all I have to do, I will have to square that up or something. So I have to figure out what. There we go. You know me. And so the thing is, can I make it work? You bet I can make it work. Okay? Okay, there we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to put a happy day on here. And they have us putting this on here with 4 dimensionals. Yeah, so I don't sweat the small stuff, right? To me, it's like, sort of like today. We didn't get the recycle bin out in time. Somebody said something. I said, you know what? It's okay, right? The world didn't end. We may have to do something different for a week, but that's okay. We're just not going to sweat the small stuff. That's small stuff. Okay, we're going to put this here, and they have some string here for us to make a bow, and they have us put it on with a glue dot. So, I'm going to leave it there so I can keep my extra, and I'm just going to just give it a little bit of tail there on our ribbon. Let's try our little bow. As my friend said yesterday, we have bigger fingers than little kids, so we need a little bit more extra room to get this stuff on sometimes. Alright, we'll take our handy dandy scissors here, and we'll put this on with a glue dot. And then this is done, right? So how easy is this? Very, very easy. It takes the excuses away when people say, well, I don't have time. Well, you know what? This doesn't take a lot of time. It gives you beautiful cards already, ready to go. Just have to get the glue dot off. Alright, without taking off the glue. And there you go. Now, you know, their stuff is nice because if you wanted to color this with some Stampin' Blends, that would work. But there you go. I got a birthday card. I got the Very Berry that's proud of you. And the next one is the 3 It's Alright. Sorry, my throat. I'm going to take a drink of water. My throat is like really dry. Yes, we are live and you get to hear me swallow water because I don't know what happened all of a sudden, but something happened. Look how pretty. Alright, so I got it creased this time. So it does the same thing we just did. They're actually putting this on the inside of the card. You know what, now they're going to make me go back to number 1. Okay, it was on the outside. I just want to make sure I did it right, right? Alright, so this one's on the inside of the card too. So I'm going to open it like this. So actually it would have been easier on the other one if I made sure it was creased first. Now, could have made sure I centered it. You have to excuse me. I actually got a tear in my eye from choking there, and feels like my throat is going to get dry again. So there you go. Maybe I won't talk as much. Let's see here. There we go. All right, so we're just going to line this up in the center. Like that. And we're going to come take this side off. You know, I could do it just as easily do it that way, right? It'll work that way too. Ta-da! All right. So now we're going to come over here. I'm not sure. The way they've got it made, it makes it where it's just a little off right there. But you know what? If I had to, I would just trim that. If it wasn't perfectly like you want it. Looks like I got it just then. But that would be my solution, right? Okay, so next they have us putting this on with glue dots. So they actually, if you look at this here, so see how this is yellow here and this is white? So they actually have you putting 2 glue dots right here on the front of the yellow. And the reason is we're going to come and attach it to the cloud here. So let me show you where we got going. So I'm just trying to show you the different things to look for when you do kits. If you've never done them before, if you've never even done Pump Your Pumpkin before, right? Just to show you so you know what some of it means. Because if you've never done this before, even I know with my grandkids, if they haven't done it before, and I just hand it to them, you know, and if you've never done anything, they didn't know what some of the stuff was, right? Okay, now from here they have you putting on some dimensionals here. So let me show you, because they've done. Give you another sign. So you can see these are whole dimensionals because you see the design. Let's see if I can get that for you. All right, if you look on the sun rays, though, it looks like they've got something cut in half. So all they've done is taken and gone and cut the dimensionals in half to make that for you. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. We have one on each ray, so we have 5 rays. So I'm just going to come down here. I just need 2.5 of these to be like that. And why they do that is sort of like if you do sewing or any kind of other crafting, right? Flower design, floral arrangements. We always hide our work. So they're doing the same thing, right? So you don't have a big dimensional sticking out showing. So we're just putting a half one on each one of these. And they'll fit. I might have to move this one over just a little bit. So if you were at home with kids today, this would be a great project to do. If you're at home today with kids and it's raining outside, this would be a great thing to do. And if you just want to do something just for the sake of doing it, right? You can just do it then too. Okay, so the only other thing we have here is we're going to put a dimensional. They have us put a dimensional right here, and then we're going to put 3 more on there, and this one's ready to go. So that's just how simple these are, right? So it doesn't matter if you've ever done crafting or you've never done crafting. It doesn't matter, right? They just make it easy for you to be able to do this. And I like it, like for me, because I'm always sending out birthday cards and thank you cards. And I got a congratulations card for somebody graduating to send out. It's just easy to do. All right, so we're just going to put the rainbow here, right here. We're going to put the congrats here. All right, and they have us putting dimensionals on here too. So this is going to come a little bit lower, so you're going to want to make sure that when you put dimensionals on, it's going to be lower than this. So I'm just going to put them down lower. They have one on each side. So I'm going to put one there and one here. Alright, and I'm just going to do this right here like they did. And there we go. Alright, so in 14 minutes, I have talked to you, and I have made 3 cards, and that is how easy this is to do. Quick and easy, easy peasy. There you go. There's 3 beautiful cards, so that when you open them up, they're already decorated and ready for sentiments. This one's ready to open up for you with another balloon. And then we have this one here. It's going to open up with some sunshine. So there you go. Quick and easy. Easy peasy. Nothing more I can say about that. So with that, have a if you celebrate Easter, have a wonderful Easter weekend. It's a great time for the family and to do things together and to celebrate. And if you don't, that's okay too. We will be live at 4 o'clock on Sunday. Well, we won't be live. We do a live video for you because we're going to celebrate with our family. So we'll have a live out there for you on Sunday at 4, and we'll also do some door prize drawings. So if you haven't given any comments or emojis or anything like that, you need to do that now because we will do the drawings so you'll know who the winners are on Sunday. All right? Be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week with Teach Me Nana. And we'll have the new paper pumpkin kit, and that's actually what we'll be doing on Sunday for the pre-recorded that we have available for you. With that, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week. All right. So be sure to share, whether you share here on Facebook or Instagram. Also on YouTube is where we put our videos, right? Whoop, whoop. And if you want to stay up to date with everything we got going on, be sure to join our newsletter. All right. Be blessed. See you next time. Bye.